Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Model paper number 85 and question number 34. What assets are expected from zakat according to zakat and ushur ordinance? That is a sheep grazing feed free in pastures. दोबारा सुने. What assets are expected from zakat according to zakat and ushur ordinance? That is sheep grazing feed free in pasture. Next one, zakat year ends with the last days of Shaban. Zakat year ends with the last days of Shaban. Cathay Pacific is the airline of Hong Kong. Next one, which of the following United Nations agency has received Nobel Prize? That is a UNICEF, ILO and United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. इन तीनों ने नोबेल प्राइज विन किया. दोबारा सुने. Which of the following United Nations agency has received Nobel Prize? That is UNICEF, UNICEF जो बच्चों के लिए, ILO International Labour Organization and UNO and UN High Commissioner for Refugees. इन तीनों ने नोबेल प्राइज हासिल किया. Administrative General of Usher and Zakat at federal level is appointed by Ministry of Religious Affairs. Administrative General of Usher और Zakat federal level के ऊपर कौन अपॉइंट करता है? Ministry of Religious Affairs. The Zakat and Usher Ordinance was promulgated on 20 June 1980. Zakat and Usher Ordinance was promulgated on 20 June 1980. Nippon is the former name of Japan. Nippon is the former name of Japan. Next one, Sky News is the news channel of news TV channel of UK. Sky News is the news TV channel of United Kingdom. Which of the following country is called the land of thousand Iceland? That is Finland. ठीक है, land of thousands Iceland is called Finland को land of thousand Iceland कहा जाता है. Antalya Airport is situated in Turkey. Antalya Airport is situated in Turkey. The largest cricket stadium of the world is the Melbourne Cricket Stadium. The largest cricket stadium of the world is Melbourne Cricket Stadium. Which of the following internet search engine is celebrated its 10th anniversary in 2008? That is a Google. Daughter of the East is written by Benazir Bhutto. Daughter of East is a book name that is written by Benazir Bhutto. Next one, Sarah Palin is a Republican vice president candidate in US. Sarah Palin is a Republican vice president candidate in United States. The term hung parliament describes a situation in which no single party has a majority in the house. The term hung parliament से क्या मुराद है कि no single party has a majority in the house. Okay. Next one, which of the following category of Nobel Prize was not created by Swedish scientist Alfred Nobel? तो वो है इकोनॉमिक्स. इकोनॉमिक के ऊपर जो दिया जाता है नोबेल प्राइज वो अल्फ्रेड नोबल नहीं देता. ठीक है, उन्होंने नहीं बनाया था. Which of the following province of Afghanistan share border with Pakistan? That is a Ningharar, Pakita and Helmand. Which of the following provinces of Afghanistan share border with Pakistan? उसके तीन सूबे हैं, निंगरार, पाकिटा एंड हेलमांड, क्योंकि इसका हमारा जो बॉर्डर है वो 2210 किलोमीटर तक शेयर होता है. On which of the following areas United Nations spend a lion's share of its budget? That is a peacekeeping activities. On which of the following areas United Nations spend a lion's share of its budget? That is peacekeeping activities. 3 दिसंबर हर साल किस लिए मनाया जाता है? इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ डिसेबल्ड पर्सन. 3 दिसंबर इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एवरी ईयर एज इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ डिसेबल्ड पर्सन. द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट सबवे सिस्टम इज इन शंघाई मेट्रो. द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट सबवे सिस्टम इज द शंघाई मेट्रो. दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा आबादी भी जो है वो शंघाई ही है. शंघाई में हाईएस्ट वाटरफॉल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज़ द एंजल वाटरफॉल जो कि वेनेजुएला में है. फाइलेंटली इज़ अ स्टैम्प कलेक्शन. Philately is a stamp collection. Gomal Zam Dam is located in South Waziristan. Gomal Zam Dam is located in South Waziristan. World largest land frontier in between America and Canada. World largest land frontier in between Canada and America. Which of the following is not rich in protein? That is a potatoes. Potatoes, meat or fish or eggs में जो potatoes होते हैं is not rich in protein. Next one, nation income. Nation income is essentially composed of all wealth of a nation. Nation income is essentially composed of all wealth of a nation. Fleet Street in London is famous for offices of newspaper and press agencies. Fleet Street in London is famous for offices of newspaper and press agencies. To which of the following dynasty Razia Sultan, the ruler of Indian subcontinent, belonged to? She belonged to slave dynasty. Which of the following dynasty. Razia Sultan belonged, that is in subcontinent, the slave dynasty. Headquarter of World Trade Organization is in Geneva. World Trade Organization के headquarter Geneva में. The only vitamin in the human body can manufacture, that is vitamin D. Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese explorer. Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese explorer. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. The first international organization was League of Nations. First international organization is a League of Nations. Which of the following countries first introduction paper currency in the world, that is China? Which of the following country first introduced paper currency in the world, that is China? The Earth's rotation on its axis is from west to east. अर्थ की रोटेशन अपनी ही एक्सिस के इर्द गिर्द क्या कहलाती है? वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. ग्रीन वेजिटेबल आर गुड सोर्स ऑफ मिनरल्स एंड विटामिन्स. Green vegetables are good source of minerals and vitamins. The game of hockey originated from England. The game of hockey originated from England. NEPRA, N-E-P-R. NEPRA stands for National Electric Power Regulatory Authority. Okay, National Electric Power Regulatory Authority. Dosimeter is a device used to measure the nuclear radiation for safety purpose. Dosimeter is a nuclear device that is used to measure the nuclear radiation for safety purpose. What do you understand by the disease insomnia? That is the inability to sleep. Insomnia, inability to sleep. The Sayyid dynasty in Indo-Pakistan subcontinent was founded by Khizr Khan. The Sayyid dynasty in Indo-Pakistan subcontinent was founded by Khizr Khan. The world famous Madame Tussauds Museum is situated in London. The world famous Madame Tussauds Museum is in London. The famous shrine of Hazrat Bari इमाम इज़ लोकेटेड एट इस्लामाबाद. इमाम बरी जो हैं उनकी श्राइन कहाँ पे है? इस्लामाबाद में. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ कैश क्रॉप? कॉटन इज अ कैश क्रॉप व्हाइल व्हीट इज नॉट अ कैश क्रॉप. Ornithology is a study of birds. Ornithology is a study of birds. Pakistan highest railway station from sea level is a Khan Meher Tazi. Khan Meher Tazi. Pakistan highest railway station from the sea level is Khan Meher Tazi. What is meant by petticoat government? Petticoat government is a government that is run by women. The petticoat government is a government that is run by women. A small town in Sindh, Catibonder, is a famous for fish harbor. दोबारा सुने. A small town in a Sindh, Sindh के अंदर छोटा सा town Catibonder is a famous for fish harbor. Okay. In the composition of Earth, oxygen is approximately 30%. Okay. In the composition of Earth, Earth की composition में oxygen की कितनी मिकदार है? 30%. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Indian subcontinent? That is Qutbuddin Aibak. Light travel from sun to earth 8.5 मिनट में. ठीक है. In 1994, Pakistan became world champion of cricket, snooker and hockey. In 1994, Pakistan became the world champion in cricket, snooker and also in hockey. Okay. Identify the musician who composed the national anthem of Pakistan, that is Abdul Karim Chagla in 1954. ठीक है. 1954 में सबसे पहले अब्दुल करीम चागला ने इसको कंपोज किया नेशनल एंथम की म्यूजिक को, जो कि 80 सेकंड का था और सबसे पहले ये ईरान का प्रेसिडेंट था, उसके आगे बजाया गया. The Lake Mankar is the largest freshwater lake in Pakistan and one of the Asia largest. दोबारा सुने. Lake Mankar, M-A-N-C-H-E-R, is the largest freshwater lake in Pakistan and in one of the Asia largest. Next one, velocity of sound in air per second is a 331 meter. 331 meter per second. Velocity of sound in air 331 meter per second. Deficiency of vitamin C in the human body cause teeth disease. Deficiency of vitamin C in the human body cause teeth disease. Identify the largest tribal agency of FATA by area, that is South Waziristan. दोबारा सुन लें. Identify the largest tribal agency of FATA is South Waziristan. Which of the following instrument is used for comparing earthquake magnitude, that is Richter scale? And last one is Proglein Tower of Ninjan is among the 7 wonders of the world. It is situated in China. दोबारा सुन लें. Proglein Tower of the Ninjan is among the 7 wonders of the world, that is in China. Thanks.